How to make egg in a hole. Today I'm making an easy and delicious breakfast dish called egg in a hole. It doesn't take long to make, and you only need a few ingredients. If you want a recipe that feels like a warm hug, you're going to love this dish. Let's get started. I've listed everything you need for this recipe here in the video and in the video's description. Step 1. Prepare the bread. Grab your slice of bread and use a small glass or cookie cutter to cut a hole in the center. Don't toss that little circle out. It's going in the pan too. Step 2. Heat things up. Preheat a pan over medium-low heat and melt in some butter. You want the bread to be toasted to golden perfection. Step 3. Time to toast. Place your bread in the little bread circle in the pan and let them toast on one side until golden brown. Step 4. Add the egg. Flip the bread over and add some more butter into the hole. Once the butter melts, crack your egg right into the center. Season with some salt and pepper, pop a lid on, and then let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the egg is set just the way you like it. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Slide the egg onto a plate, add some jam onto the bread circle if you'd like, and enjoy your egg in a hole. Easy, tasty, and ready in just minutes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more easy meals every week. And if you make this recipe, drop a comment and let me know how it turned out for you. Bye for now.